गुड मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं सीबीआईसी सर्कुलर नंबर 192/04/2023 जीएसटी। ये जो सर्कुलर है इशू किया गया है ऑन 17 जुलाई 2023 एज पर द रिकमेंडेशंस ऑफ जीएसटी काउंसिल मीटिंग हेल्ड ऑन 11 जुलाई 2023। ये सर्कुलर बड़ा ही इंटरेस्टिंग है और ये आया है इन रिलेशन टू लेवी ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अंडर सेक्शन 50 सबसेक्शन 3 ऑफ CGST एक्ट। अब ये एक स्पेसिफिक सर्कुलर है इन रिलेशन टू रिवर्सल ऑफ IGST क्रेडिट रोंगली अवेल्ड। हम सबको पता है कि द मैनर ऑफ यूटिलाइजेशन ऑफ ITC हैज़ बीन अमेंडेड मल्टीपल टाइम्स एंड ऑफ लेट द सेक्शन 49A prescribes that IGST credit first need to be fully exhausted and then only you move on to the CGST and SGST part. So उसकी वजह से हो क्या रहा है कि अगर मैंने कोई IGST क्रेडिट अवेल किया तो वो पहले यूज हो जाएगा even though there is a balance in CGST portion as well as SGST portion. और later on अगर ये डिटरमाइन होता है कि that IGST credit which I have taken is not eligible and I need to reverse that IGST credit, तो उस केस में ऑटोमेटिक डिमांड ऑफ इंटरेस्ट अंडर सेक्शन 50 सबसेक्शन 3 ऑल्सो अराइजेस बिकॉज अभी जो उसमें प्रोवाइजो है दैट इज रोंगली अवेल्ड एंड यूटिलाइज्ड. सो इन केस फॉर ए एग्जाम्पल आई हैव गोट ए say I have on a particular day I have got a ITC balance in my IGST as say 10,000 rupees, as CGST as say 7,500 rupees and state GST also as 7,500 rupees, totaling to 25,000 rupees. And suppose I happen to have a GST liability of say 10,000 rupees. So by default, due to the law, this 10,000 rupees first shall be used from my 10,000 rupees IGST credit, and my IGST balance will become zero, and CGST balance will continue to be 7,500 and SGST balance continue to be 7,500. In total 15,000 rupees. So later on the department says that this IGST credit of this 10,000 which is there was wrongly availed. It is not eligible and I need to reverse that. So based on the present position of law, it will look like that I have wrongly availed as well as utilized this IGST portion. But in actual terms, I have not used it. In case I might have the option to use CGST or SGST for my liability, I would have used that also, or I would have used proportionate utilization. But since I am under obligation to first exhaust my IGST credit, I am forced to do that. And because I am forced to do that, you can't say कि this has been wrongly availed and utilized. It is only wrongly availed and it is not utilized in the real sense of the term utilized. So to clear this anomaly in the law, the CBIC has issued a clarification based on the recommendations of GST Council. और इसके अंदर उन्होंने क्लियर किया है कि अगर मेरे पास CGST और SGST का भी बैलेंस है तो मैं एक्यूमुलेटेड बैलेंस देखूंगा. सो मेरा एक्यूमुलेटेड बैलेंस कितना है 15,000 है एंड मैंने यूज कितना किया है 10,000 यूज किया है. सो आई हैव स्टिल गॉट ए बैलेंस that is more than the utilization, hence it won't be treated as wrongly availed and utilized and no interest would be payable in this particular scenario which we have discussed. However, in case the balance is say less than 10,000, so both CGST and SGST say 4,000 each, so in that case it will be 8,000. So in that scenario, this 2,000 difference, 10,000 utilized, 8,000 balance, 2,000 I need to pay discharge my interest, and on 8,000 there is nothing payable. So this has been clarified now कि all the three components of tax need to be totaled together and then this need to be determined whether ITC has been wrongly availed and utilized or not. Further, one more question has been clarified in this, that is on GST compensation cess. However, as we all are aware that GST compensation cess is something separate. It can't be merged with any other taxes and it is separately calculated and utilized. So CBIC has clarified that GST compensation cess is something separate and it won't be included for the purpose of determining wrong availment or utilization of IGST. So that is very clear and now again reiterated by CBIC. However, this particular clarificatory circular which CBSE has come out is a very welcome one, because it clarifies on a very valid anomaly in the law which was creating unnecessary and undue interest liability on the taxpayers due to the sheer operation of law. So it's very welcome circular to that extent. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more knowledge videos. Thank you.